Hi, I'm Michael Linsner, third generation Managing Director at Abercon Products and Chain.com.au. Today we're going to be having a look at our fox traps. We're going to set one up, show you how simply we can do that, and then we'll show you how it works. They come in a flat pack, like we have here, which enables us to ship them all over the country quite quickly. Okay, now we've got it out of the box. You see each trap comes with instructions if you need them. Just a few simple steps that I'm going to run through today. So you'll get your own copy. So first things first, cut off the cable ties. 2 cable ties on. Okay, now you got your handle. And now we're going to pop it up. Bang. So you can see when I opened it up, it basically fell into position. It's so simple. So now all we do, we stabilise the front, we stabilise the back, we hook up the trip rod to the foot plate, which activates the door, and the trap's ready to go. Just have to put some food behind the foot plate. Grab this square wire here and pop that under. Okay. Now we go to the back. You've got 2 clips on either side, here and here. Pop this side of the door behind one, and this side of the door behind the other clip. That's it. Don't need tools, all done by hand. Now that's stabilised, the back stabilised, the front stabilised. Okay, now we will hook up the foot plate. So to open the door, press this mechanism in, which holds the door closed. So just see what, if you can see what I'm doing, just press that in like that. Hold that in, and then your door comes up. Okay, and then you've got a little hook here. It's got 2 hooks on it. One hook holds the door up. The other hook will hook with this trip rod to the foot plate. So in your foot plate, you've got a hole, and one end of the trip rod, the hook will be through that hole. That connects. The other end of the trip rod, the hook should be facing downwards, and then we connect that on to the hook above the door. So, and there we go, it's hooked on. You can see now the foot plate is raised. A little bit of pressure on that foot plate when the fox walks in, feral cat, whatever animal you're after. Put some food at the end, even possibly tie it to the wire so there's some extra pressure when the animal's pulling at the food, extra pressure on the foot plate. And if you put the door, the wire where it's holding the door up right on the end of the hook, it needs even less pressure. So that's one of the keys. Instead of putting it all the way in, it'll still work, but then it needs more pressure from the animal. Okay, so now it is ready to go. Which I'm going to put a look, just to imagine. Fox walks in, steps on the foot plate, bang. And it is not getting out. That is locked in tight. And you've got your handle, you've got a protection plate there, so the animal can't scratch you or try to bite you. And you can take it away to greener pastures and let it go. So there you have it. There are our fox traps. They're easy to set up. As you saw, I've set it up in a couple minutes. They're over 1 metre long, so you'll be able to catch your feral cats, foxes. They're well priced. They do the job. We're sure you'll be happy with them. And they're available for sale at chain.com.au. Thank you.